శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 777th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 30th chapter. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, even after getting this entire universe under your control, you would never become arrogant. O Prudhanandana Dharmaja, you are satisfying devatas with svahakaras. You are satisfying pitru devatas with swadhakaras. You are satisfying brahmanas with worshipping. You are doing everything that it is supposed to be done, even in this Aranyam. You are fulfilling the wishes of all the Brahmanas. You are giving them food in golden bowls. And there is nothing that you cannot give to Brahmanas. You are giving away everything. And you have done Vaisvadevam, and you gave food to your guests and all other living beings, and only then whatever is left you have taken that as prasadam. O Dharmaja, in this Aranyam also you are doing all yajnas, kamya yajnas, nitya yajnas, naimittika yajnas, everything. Even after being so away from the kingdom and being in this dense forest, you are fulfilling all the activities, dharmic activities, righteous activities, without anything it is missing. Ho Raja, Ho Dharmaja, you have done Asvamedham, Rajasuyam, Poundarikam, Gosavam, so many great yajnas, and you gave dakshinas to so many Brahmanas. Being such a great person, compassionate, calm-going, very patient, such a great person, how did you even play the gambling? What happened to your mind? How did you do that? And even in playing that gambling, you have put all your brothers, their weapons, and all their wealth, your wealth, and finally you put me also as a betting in that gambling. How did you do that? Why did you do that? Why did you even get that kind of idea to play that gambling, Dharmaja? When I think about all this and such a big, huge trouble that you are in now, I am not understanding anything, Dharmaja. I am really going through so much of grief inside. Like that, Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.